Hello and welcome to another video. So these are the i500 wireless headphones from MGET. Basically they're Airpod clones, but let's have a look and see how good they are. Now these are available from MGET's website. I'll leave links to that down in the description below. They are available in white or black. I've got the white ones here, so let's see what we've got. So opening the box up, you can see we've got what looks to be very close to the original AirPods. So we'll unwrap that shortly. Also in the box is a little bit of packaging, and we've got a lightning cable to charge them and an instruction booklet which is in English and looks like Chinese. So looking at this, it's wrapped in a bit of plastic, but the more I look at it, the more I think it looks exactly like the Apple AirPods, including a bit of wording on the back. Now I'm not going to tell you exactly what it says, but it's a little bit naughty. That shouldn't really put that on there, but I think you can guess what that says. Anyway, got my iPhone here, so open that up, and then I'm going to go turn my Bluetooth on the iPhone because it's usually switched off. Okay, so with Bluetooth screen on there, I'm going to open the pod, hold down the button on the back to put it into pairing mode. The actual pop-up, because these have got a H1 chip in, so if I press connect on there, the i500s have got 100% of charge. So if I now take these out, and we'll have a little listen and see how good they actually are. So now that's all paired up and ready to go, let's have a little listen to how they sound.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long.
Okay, so that sounds not too bad at all. There's quite a predominant bass in there. Yeah, it's quite a well-rounded sound, but it is bass heavy, so if you don't like a hell of a lot of bass with your music, then maybe better to go for something else. I don't particularly like this type of earphone. I didn't like the Apple earphones when they first came out, and I didn't like them when they shaped them like the AirPods are today. Just simply because I like a rubber ear tip in my ear to give a nice seal, and I find those a lot more comfortable. So I particularly wouldn't buy these myself. But that being said, that wouldn't stop me from recommending these to other people. If you're looking for alternatives to Apple AirPods and you want something a lot cheaper that do the same thing and look pretty much the same, then you can't go wrong with a pair of these. So I'll leave links to MGET's website in the description below so you can check these out for yourself. They've got loads more stuff on there besides Apple AirPod clones on there. They do all sorts of audio gear. So give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification icon to make sure you don't miss any videos that are coming up. And speaking of videos, why not watch one of our other videos that's on the left hand side of the screen right now. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.